Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of 96, 108 and 180. We will be using prime factorization method for finding the HCF. So let's find the factors of these numbers separately to find the HCF of the numbers. So first we'll find the factors of 96. As it is an even number, it is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 is remainder. This becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 3, 3 times 1 is 3. Now we will find the factors of 108. It is also even number, so it is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 is remainder, this becomes 14, 2 times 7 is 14. Now 27 is an odd number, it is divisible by next prime number 3. 3 times 9 is 27, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. Next we will find the factors of 180. 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 4 is 8, 1 is remainder, this becomes 10, 2 times 5 is 10. Now 45 is odd number, it is divisible by next prime number 3, 3 times 1 is 3, this becomes 15, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15 and 5 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 5, 5 times 1 is 5. So all the numbers are fully divided. Let us write the factors of all the numbers. So 96 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 1. 108 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 1, and 180 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 1. So now we have the factors of all the numbers. For finding the HCF, we are going to find the common factors in between these numbers. So let's circle our common factors here. So we see that 2 is common to both the numbers. So this 2 is common. 2 is a common factor. Next, one more 2 is common to all the numbers. And this 3 is common to all the numbers. And that's all. So our HCF will be the product of all the common factors, which is 2 times 3, or HCF equals 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. So the HCF of these three numbers is 12. That means 12 is the number which divides all the three numbers fully without leaving a remainder. So this is how, by using prime factorization, we can find the HCF of any number. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.